me ne wo ka say ukopiem e wo market a market women a omo market say omo nu omo ho pa so mo to abama John Dramani Mahama omo say afese say na e ba be December mo na o market a ye to ade papa na so ene John Dramani Mahama aban ne baaye no o market a o to ade ayento obetimi aso ade the whole day obi mpon frɛ wo obusa wade na wo ton no ne bo ebusu yense wani yensa o ka kire na meyi video a yekoye interview e wo market ndra ne insem wa market women no e de to dwa ye wie nso a papa bi a owodoma anyunkro enso e de eniema price a na send your turn last year and send the same product no auto ne this year na ebusa yan wo say inflation e wo 8%, dollar e wo 11 cedis, petrol 12 cedis and some pesos be, but still in Emma Boyading the prices of goods and services so so. The question is, what exactly is the problem here? Even though dollar rate inflation be aba form no in Emma Bo egu so kosro na meka ya say ha Ghana Nsem TV meeting the promise yembo mo nyanko hwe interview a Andre kokoye wo market no mba wi a ya be di hu komo say ba sa nso be di dwa akọ na say amamu ne nya enya pra ada wade to na nya na yem to fi mi to 500,000 5 days akufo ro tias ni etu ko nya ni ade papa akufo ro nya ko na ku school ya ho to yen ele he wu ba wiase akura wo na yam hyehyɛ na me se ba o mia die nya me fa me sa mle de na akufo ro me o mia me die fi o amane no ha ka ho kire pa wo bi esu ya kwa yen to aja akufo ro nya me be hyira papa wo ye hyira na amen people show woni ade ade yesu ke bako no so ya akufo ro ya kan say boni ayo mu yi won de ba ga ma yi mo boni ayo papa ya yam ayi mo ma suku boni ayo mu samuso betima hwe mo ma hwan mo won kwa na esu na ndisi fo me se wo mu kwa na esu oh sa yes ndisi fo osu me no na tifie me se ndisi fo mu so mo no mo ho awurade wo me se ye we ya na ko we ya to ba ni ho amunim dada awurade da bia me ko nya ba o mi ade nya me agi na wi beba me ho afen e so wo de ye ko o bi afen nya ma ye to hwe ye nhwe ene asem tu se MPP do akoma so afutuo be na do se betima kom ho abom so betima kom ho abom no betimi abege power 2020 afutuo be na do MPP me afutuo MPP ya sire mo nhwe de e bo man mu o no me ni yaw ni wo ni basa e bo man mu en sire MPP fo mo kam ho nya ntokwa na ba o mia de obi anto aba ma ba o mia na sire mo kam ho mom na mo nya yesi na ndisi fo na ewura mu o mo de ntokwa na basa mu ni mo ni na ho ndisi fo no mo MPP tali anom de ntokwa ye no mo kan sam o mo boa NPP ni bia no ba ko ntokwa ka no yonko ntantira o mo ko nya ntokwa no na ba o mia mla mo to aba no ma ba o mia ni nyina so ye nto aba ma na nyina ho nto ma ni ye bra e woni dɔso ni na fro say me frem sister abana me tetafo o ba bra nya me ma adwa on ka ho pa won dɔso ho e no me ne dɔso Ghana mo ja ne dɔso ya da se ne na ye ha se ne ye kan ye bra dollar aba form dollar akosoro dollar wasoro no we 15 cedis dollar ba form no akọ 45 cedis kenna ho dollar wasoro no we 45 Ghana cedis dollar ba form no akọ 75 Ghana cedis dollar wasoro no ye ba mo we mako 9 ananzia adwene no 50 Ghana cedis dollar wasoro nne dollar ba form no ba ko pe we Adams 50 Ghana cedis nra market we dollar wasoro no na Nescafe get one diatiano Nescafe yes dollar wasoro no ne to tia ba ko we 1 cedi December 2024 nna me no waka say ba ko pe we 3 Ghana cedis mi bi sa ba to ma de be ka kire me say nya shop nyina ne mmekọ a be de be mam 3 cedis ne po we kire say ba bi wo yes ba bi wo kra na ne bo e che no we no enti andisi ni afri yankra President Mahama e ka kire say ba transform Ghana indeed ba transform no na ye mesa ya ho say nsusanso papa ben ni wanya e wo yeso dollar wasoro no na bentu galam say e wo brekum
na galamsey atete se ho na bentu galamsey wo doma hinkro na atete se ho doma JHS2 ni akura wa to galamsey am na mawu last week. Hey. Yes, doma hinkro wa to galamsey am na mawu.
You see, on the most serious note, I've been talking about this, say, the NDC government is just deceiving Ghanaians. You see, and I told the person the same thing, that the facts say we are seeing that dollar rate, the other thing here then, inflation, our form, but still, prices are still high. Petrol from near day, but still prices are still high. Tells you that this government is manipulating the system, and almost the figures they deceive Ghanaians, and that's the honest truth. Unless you don't want to accept it, but that's the truth. And you see, I watched a video, I think from one of the universities, I think so. That was 3 or 4 days ago, and a student were asking one of the lecturers, and I said, Bibisa, say last year, now dollar, there were 14 cedis, and inflation, there were 23%, you know. Now, sir, Bell active, 4 cedis was a Bibisa, and inflation, single digit 8%, you know. Bell aqua, 6 cedis and 5 cedis. So why is it that inflation about from, but still prices of Enema Elgaso Kosoro? Do you know what he said? Okay, so Nubia, he couldn't even explain and answer the question now, guy in Busano. No. Yes, he couldn't answer the question that he was asked. He couldn't answer. You see, the thing is that the NDC knows perfectly well, say they are not doing anything. Seriously, but the fact say we have people in this country, all they think about is Dokuno way, That the funny thing is Dokuno prices no. Could you believe say a good so even though I see a brew kind of saying bag price no swab for more. But still Dokuno price a good so they are not reducing the price of kinky. They are not reducing the price of kinky. So what is going on? What is going on in this country? Now you guys are saying that you've not seen anything yet. Yes. Don Dramani Mahama is now come to show you the real shaky. Because I don't even understand the reason why you even voted for John Dramani Mahama in the first place. The things that we have been talking about, say, or market, and you go and the prices are high. You should understand that this government is just manipulating the system and making you feel like things are cheap, but in real life things are very, very expensive. Things are very, very expensive, and that's the truth. Unless you buy things from different markets, but if you are buying it from the same market I'm buying my own, you'd know things are very, very expensive. And it's not a joke anymore. It is not a joke anymore. People are actually suffering. People cannot even afford 2 square meal. But you see Tibo on Koso Jimmy Phoebe, they will be online and telling me that John Dramani Mahama deserve a third term. Well, they were also here, but at all is Mahama doing that? You have the cat. No, that's just come and tell me that he deserves third term. Third term for what? Third term for what? What exactly is he doing? What is he doing? I want to understand. What has he done? Bro, he has not done anything. No. People are suffering. People are crying. People are dying every single day in this country. John Dramani Mahama has not done anything that would deserve a third term. And he himself is not going to try. Because it's not going to happen in this country that we are living in. He doesn't deserve. Even the second term, he doesn't deserve. Talk of a third term. He knows. The NDC people, the real NDC people knows that John Dramani Mahama is not doing anything. And you people will be in the comment section and you'll be feeling and lying to yourself as if he's doing anything. But you know it's on your shade. On your shade. I don't blame you people. I blame the people that they are the reason why we are where we are today. They are the reason why we are suffering today. You come and tell me that you so. You know you give me you saw me.